know truth is not enough.
Hey guys, back again. Today I am going to show you how to install a Windows 10 without using any USB pen drive or DVD. So first you need to go to Google in your browser and search for Windows 10 download and go through this first link. You will get this page. Now click on Download Tool now. This is a media creation tool. I already downloaded the tool, so I am not going to download again. Now open this tool. First you need to download the ISO file. That's why I am making this video. Now click on Accept. Now check on Create Installation Media for another PC. And here select your language, edition and architecture and click on Next. And here the important. We are not going to make a pen drive. We are going to download ISO file. So check on ISO file and click Next. Now select your file location. This is a Windows 10 ISO file we are going to download. OK, and simply save. Now it will take some time to download the ISO file. It dependable on your internet speed. OK, my Windows 10 is download ISO, so open the ISO file with WinRAR or Windows Explorer. I am opening with WinRAR. So after this click on Sources and here find the setup file. So double click the setup file and after this click Yes. OK, you will get this screen. Select language time and click Next. Now click on Install now. It will ask you to enter the product key, but I am going to take Next. So click I don't have product key. If you want to know how to activate Windows 10 for free, the link in description or click the pop-up on top right corner. Now select which version of Windows 10 you want. And accept this and click Next. Now install Windows Only Advanced Custom. Click the custom installation. So here be careful, I am going to install Windows 10 on C drive. Select your correct drive. Select your C drive and then format it. So don't format another drive. So I am going to select C drive and click on format and then OK. As you can see, my C drive is formatted. Now click on Next. Now it's time to take a little relax. Windows installing the process. I am going to skip this. Windows is rebooting, so don't do anything now. Now it's getting ready. Nothing important here, so I am going to fast forward it. Now select your region. Now here you need to give the PC name. Give password. Click yes and accept. It's ready. So it's the final process. So we have to wait some time. It's done. I got my Windows 10 desktop. It's very simple. So this is the way to install Windows 10 without using any pen drive or DVD. I hope you like. If you have any questions, you can comment. So please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you very much. See you in next video.